Hi friends. Today we're gathered here to celebrate.
No.
Can you lift it up higher? Hi friends. Today we're at the airport trying to catch this flight.
Okay. This is our room. Oh my god, look at our bathroom. Oh my god, it looks disgusting. Is that a bidet? No, it's not a bidet. And here's our two beds. This is like a... What size bed is this, Tracy? Which bed are you taking, Tracy?
We already put our stuff on the respective beds.
Oh, so I guess this is my bed now. Oh yeah, this is the view. Wow, trees, and...
Around lemon good. And it's not right to use card.
It's not? Why not?
It's not right. The lady was so helpful. At the same time, I didn't know what she was saying. I was just like, which one most popular? She pointed at that one. I was like, yes, I want that one. I was gonna get two of that, but I was like, let's try something different.
Oh yeah, Amma.
Okay, so the white part is coconut milk. 근데 이거
Why would you give it to me? Why would you give it to me?
mango.
COVID? Everything. No, you don't even like coconut water like that, right? Oh, okay.
Everyone's doing it, I might as well.
Today is my first full day in Vietnam, and right now I'm just gonna get ready to go down for our breakfast in our hotel. Just waiting for Tracy to finish taking her shower. I don't know what to wear. It's like hot, humid, but I don't want to wear shorts. Oh yeah, this is the aftermath of the hair yesterday. Oh, the bangs. I think I need to straighten it. Oh, you can see the reflection of my shoes. I don't think I showed you this yesterday, but like, look how cute that painting is. So your mail. Display only. Oh. Oh, that's what. She already finished. No, we could have been shopping right now, Vanessa. Could have been shopping right now.
Oh, we're not.
Yeah.
You have a ticket right now.
Oh my god.
I'll come over.
Yeah, buy your own ticket, bitch. Say bye. Oh, I love the yellow. Oh, that's so cute. Oh my god, this is cute. What do you want to try? There's also one more floor. You want to try one more floor? 2 drinks and a cake around like $6. Oh, yumma. Might taste better than the cheesecake we had in Japan. In Hokkaido, the Latao place. It's the shizzles. My milk tea actually tastes floral. That's jasmine, I just realized.
I'll have it for tea. That has watermelon. This table's wobbly. Oh, the tables are not sticky.
Why is that a thing you say?
Because you don't work in the food industry. Our tables are always sticky. You tell them, Vanessa, our tables are always sticky.
Bye. She looks so mean.
Got to record while I was in there because it was like just me alone in that like little shop. But isn't she cute? Oh my goodness. It's totally not sus. I walked by like 3 to 4 times and then just realized it has to go to the back stairs to go to these stores. So cute. I think I might have a problem. It's I don't know. I just went on a shopping spree and I don't think I can stop right now. It's okay, it's okay. I can cry later when I see my wallet. I think I pulled off Small White. It was really good. Yeah. Oh my god, this is so cute. This is our elevator. You sure you don't want to take it? You don't want to try taking it? It's kind of scary. I think I will just walk it. We'll just walk it. Let's go. What'd you get, Tracy? She got fun.
Udon noodles, bread, pate, shrimp dumplings,
Yeah, me too, me too, me too. Oh, today they had this one.
congee with salted egg. I only got it for the salted egg.
This is our favorite thing here. Go.
Ngay đi Glo. Ngay gặp. Như là miếng 會炸嘅，唔係新鮮嘅。It's not 新鮮。Oh shit! Oh shit!
Did you just drop
邊個㗎？係咪你嘅 Tracy？
I just dropped my straw.
Yeah, you can use my straw then.
又過啦，要過啦，OK。要行出第一步，
Oh my god! 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 Brave souls.
我哋而家咪瞓緊覺㗎。
班長，
你有冇影俾你老公睇啊？影咗啦。
At least take it out so I can see it in
my
there.
best.
影咗啦。喂，可以行邊度？
Oh.
Can I hold it?
Look, Christine got her coconut.
One coconut a day.
Coconut. They're still trying to buy one. I kind of want the sour sop. The sour sop. But also I want to eat it. I don't want to drink it. So I don't know. She looks so happy though.
我坐低先啦。同我7個，1、2、3、4、5個啫嘛。試啦。
Don't think, just eat.
我試嘅咧，有個咩味啊？聽講
係咁樣。
咁樣嘅攣出嚟嘅咧，如果我咧攣咯。
She left me. Huh? What's here? Absolutely nothing. Okay. You match that one today. Right? Totally not. That's a booty. Oh. Oh. Oh my god.
Let me do it. This is him.
Oh wow, Tracy. This is Christine.
Replenished.
Bitch, we've been sweating a lot. Should we buy another one of this? I think this one helped me with my stomach a lot. Oh shit, it's time. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, oh my god. I don't think it's this one. Oh my god, there's ducks. Oh my god, we walked like back and forth like twice. Because we couldn't decide which one we wanted. Oh, Yima. Yeah, condensed egg.
that initial taste is sweet.
Yeah, no, you drink the foam, you drink, and then you drink the coffee, and then you mix it. It's good. It's bitter?
Yeah. Maybe I took too much of that.
I think you just need to eat the foam.
Can I mix it now? Should I mix it?
Now you drink a sip of the coffee.
Alright, then kiss it. The coffee is not coming out.
What do you mean?
The foam is too.
You look like the Lorax.
Tracy, you try it. Where's the coffee? Where's the coffee? You got it? You get it?
Yeah, I got it.
Wow. 와, 진짜 맛있어. 아, 정말. Too big? 고마워. Yeah? Oh my god, I can't wait.
Here's snake nuts. She's hearts.
I got a strawberry smoothie from Book Cafe.
It's for my girl Betty. Look. It looks just like her. Anyways, we both need to do number 2. We might go back to the hotel. Bop bop. Everyone, we just finished walking down Book Street, and then right at the end of Book Street, you turn to this way. This is the Pink Cathedral.
No, that's the Notre Dame.
We'll try this again. This is the Pink Notre Dame.
No, it's just the Notre Dame Saigon.
Notre Dame, Saigon. And we were there yesterday. The post office place. Boon Din.
Oh my god, it's under construction. We can't even go. I guess I have to call Grab back home now and do our like business, you know? Hardcore business, right, Tracy? So good, so good, so good. I put it in there.
Can you just speak normally? There's no one here.
What the fuck? Tracy, 帮我也帮我听一下。